implant is very low tech. It's been the same style of implant for 40 years since it was introduced. I really believe it's kind of the future of where implant dentistry is heading. Pretty much every manufacturer that's doing implants now is adding a one-piece implant to their lineup. And we're just thrilled to have that opportunity and be able to provide that for our patients here in Eastern Idaho. We would love to help you if you're having problems with ill-fitting dentures or missing teeth. There's a very economical way to make your life better, help you enjoy and eat the foods that you may be missing out on. If that would interest you at all, we'd love to see you and offer you a free consult to come in and see us.